Hello, in this video we're going to do a walk around of my Carden Aircraft Extra 124-inch Pro. The motor I've fitted to the Carden Pro is a Desert Aircraft DA200L 4-cylinder. Very smooth power delivery. Ideal for pulling this plane around unlimited IMAX sequences. I've fitted a Mejlik 2912N 3-blade propeller and two stainless steel Zimmermann canisters. Let's have a look on board my Carden Pro. That's where I've fitted the batteries. Now that gives a good CG location for the type of flying that I'm doing, which is IMAX sequences. They're two 3300 milliamp LiPos. Now they go directly into the Powerbox Competition SRS, and I've got two Futaba R7008 SBs feeding S-Bus into the power box. There's the power box teleconverter, so that will give me via telemetry to my transmitter onboard battery voltage, capacity, antenna fades, lost frames and holds. I've also got the power box mag sensor. Now that's for switching the onboard gear on and off, and it saved me having to cut a hole inside the fuselage for the normal on-off switch. There's my ignition switch, power box spark switch. That's the 5.9 volt version for the DA ignition. And there's my ignition battery, 2200 milliamp LiPo. Here's how you turn on the radio gear using the Powerbox mag sensor and supplied magnet. Put the magnet over position 1, that turns on battery 1. Position 2, that turns on battery 2. To reset the consumption in the power box, wave it across the mag sensor. That resets the power consumption values on the power box. And to turn the radio gear off, put it over there and over there, and that's it off. There's two green lights to show that your batteries are on. I've positioned the mag sensor so that I can see it through the canopy and I can check that the batteries are on okay. CLI servos in the Carden Pro. These are CLI 380s. 38 kilograms of torque at 7.4 volts. Ideal for this model. If you're looking to set up a model like this, parts and advice are available from AZ Aerosports. Have a look at the website www.azaerosports.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.